Hello, and welcome to the National Minority Supplier Development Council Conference and Business Opportunity video tutorials. In this tutorial, we will show you how to register as a buyer and also share with you some important information that will assist you during your visit on site to the conference. To begin, you will need to visit our link at nmsdc.mbmapp.com. Once you are visiting our link, locate the Register button under the title of the page. The Register button will take you to the beginning step of your registration, starting at the setup. In this section, you will need to enter your email address and select your primary function. For buyers, there are 3 different primary functions you can select. In this case, we are going to select national or local corporate members. You will also need to answer the security question in the space provided. And throughout the registration, by clicking on Continue, it will take you to the next step of the registration until you are ready to submit. In the registration, any fields that are marked as optional do not need any responses. Fields that do not have optional listed are required in order for you to proceed to the next step of the registration. By clicking on Save Draft, this will allow you to complete your registration at a later time. The system will generate a unique link that will allow you to complete your registration at the last step that you have saved your draft on. This link is also going to be sent to you via email at the email address you provided during your setup, which will also include the date and time your link is set to expire. Step 3 will allow you to add your attendee details. You will need to enter the information of the representative attending the conference, including their job title, phone number, and cell phone number. The cell phone number will only be used in case you are needed to be contacted with regards to your appointments. Your email address will automatically populate from your setup page, and you will need to select your sessions. You can select from afternoon sessions or morning sessions. You will also need to confirm how you would like your matches to be scheduled. You can select from searching for matches and scheduling your own appointments, auto schedule all of your appointments, meaning the system will generate matches and schedule appointments on your behalf using your business categories or NAICS codes that you enter in the next step. You can also select to search for your matches and schedule your own appointments until October 8th. After October 8th, the system will then switch to auto-scheduling appointments during any open time slots for the session that you have selected. You can search for business categories using the open field to start typing by NAICS code or by keyword. To make your selection, click on Add for any of the business categories that you would like to add to your profile. On the far right-hand side, your most recent business category will appear on the top. There is no limit to how many business categories you can select. However, you will need to answer the questions for each of the business categories that you have entered. The 2 fields that you do not need to answer are Opportunity Description and Opportunity Value, as these are both marked as optional. However, you will be required to select the Opportunity Timing using the drop-down menu. You can select from Immediate, Future, or Inquiry. To skip to the next step, you can scroll down and click on Continue at the top of the page, or you can click on Continue at the bottom of the page. Step 5 will allow you to select your business information. Here, you will need to specify your primary industries by selecting at least 1, but no more than 3 different industries. Step 6 will allow you to upload your files. You can upload your logo, picture of the attendee, or you can upload your Supplier Diversity Program brochure or flyer. For each of these sections, all of the allowed formats, max resolutions, and maximum size are clearly listed. To upload your file, simply click on the green buttons and you can select your picture from your computer. The review section will allow you to view your company name and the name of the participant you are registering. You will need to create your password for your profile, and all of the specifications for your password are listed on the right-hand side. Accept the terms and conditions, and also accept the personal data agreement. By clicking on Submit, This will finalize your registration and register you to attend the conference. The system will show you your success message after you submit your registration, signifying that your registration has been completed. You will also be receiving an email confirmation to the email address you provided in your registration. Some details to share with you to assist you on site at the conference. The matchmaker representative must be registered for the conference and present a badge to check in. The representative must check in at least 20 minutes prior to their first appointment, and they will be asked to complete a survey to confirm and evaluate each of their appointments that they have scheduled. This completes the video tutorial for NMSDC buyer registration.